Welcome to the video tutorial for the Online Convention Registration Program. We have divided the tutorial into 5 parts so you can view each aspect of the program easily. From creating a new school and database to registration and payments, student entries and printing out forms, these videos will walk you through each step of the registration process. Let's begin by showing you how to add a new school and users. To access the Online Convention Registration Program, go to the browser and type A.C.E. studentprograms.com/register. If this is your first time using this program as a school, you will click on New User in order to get started. If you are serviced by the USA warehouse, enter your customer number and click Find. Confirm that the school name and location are correct and click Yes. If you do not have a customer number with the USA warehouse, then you must click on New. This will automatically create a customer number for use within the registration program. This does not mean that you are now serviced by the USA warehouse. In both cases, you will be taken to a page where you should enter all of your school's information. Filling all text fields will allow forms that are printed out later to be automatically filled out with this information, rather than having to fill it out by hand. Click Save. Now you have created your new school and will be taken to the page where you can create a new user. Fill out all the information required. This will generate a username and you must create the password. Make sure you write down your customer number, username, and password for future logins. To finalize, click Save.